Have you ever felt like you're putting in all the work, but your body just isn't keeping up? You're definitely not alone. Today, we're going to break down a really precise peptide blend, CJC-1295 and Ipamorelin, and how it's designed to work with your biology to get your natural growth hormone rhythm back on track.
It's so frustrating, right? You're training hard, you're eating clean, but it feels like your body is fighting you every single step of the way. Recovery seems to take forever, your energy just plummets, and that stubborn body fat, it just refuses to budge. This isn't about a lack of effort, It's really a sign that something deeper, something biological, is shifting.
And here's the kicker. The biological reality of it all, once you hit about 30, your body's natural growth hormone production starts to drop off. We're talking about 14% every single decade. So it's not about what you're doing wrong, it's about a fundamental change in your body's internal command center.
Okay, think about it like this. Your body is a finely tuned orchestra, and growth hormone, well, that's the conductor. When you're young, that conductor has a powerful, precise rhythm, and every single instrument, your whole metabolism, your recovery systems, they all play in perfect harmony. But as we get older, that rhythm starts to weaken. The orchestra falls out of sync, and what's the result? You feel it as fatigue, slower recovery, and this general sense that your body just isn't on your team anymore. The goal here isn't to add a new instrument to the mix, but to restore the conductor's original, powerful rhythm. And this is where the potential to get that rhythm back becomes so incredibly clear. We are not talking about some minor little tweak here. Clinical research has shown that just a single dose of CJC-1295 can kick off a huge, sustained surge in your body's own growth hormone. This is all about reclaiming the biological power your body used to have naturally. So you're probably asking, how in the world is that even possible? Well, the answer is in this really sophisticated dual pathway approach that works in perfect harmony with your body's existing systems. Let's break down exactly how this incredible synergy works. In this blend, we've got two main players, CJC-1295 and Ipamorelin. I want you to think of CJC-1295 as the sustainer. It works through the main growth hormone pathway to give you a nice, steady release. Then you have Ipamorelin, which is the initiator. It turbocharges the signal through a totally separate pathway. They have different jobs, but together they create this perfect symphony of hormonal restoration.
So first up, let's talk about the sustainer. CJC-1295, no DAC, is basically a modified version of the master signal your brain uses to tell your pituitary gland, hey, it's time to release growth hormone. Its structure has been cleverly engineered so it doesn't break down quickly, which lets it deliver a much more sustained signal than your body's natural version can.
And this slide shows you the really elegant step-by-step process. So CJC-1295 binds to the right receptors, and that kicks off this chain reaction inside the cell. This reaction then amplifies the signal using a little messenger molecule called cAMP, and that ultimately leads to a longer, more sustained release of growth hormone, a pattern that looks a lot like your body's more youthful rhythm. Okay, now for the initiator, Ipamorelin. This peptide takes a completely different route, but it's brilliantly complementary. It targets what's called the ghrelin receptor, which is another powerful switch for triggering a growth hormone pulse. Its whole job is to make each one of those releases bigger, better, and stronger.
What's so cool about Ipamorelin's mechanism is how different it is. It's all about speed and a sharp signal. It binds to its own receptors, and that triggers a really fast release of calcium inside the cell. This acts like a primer. It gets the pituitary all revved up and ready to release a much more powerful pulse of growth hormone every single time.
And this is what makes Ipamorelin such a game changer. It's incredible precision. It's the first truly selective growth hormone secretagogue. That means it's like a laser, targeting only growth hormone release without messing with other critical hormones like your stress hormone, cortisol, or prolactin, even at ridiculously high doses. That selectivity is absolutely key to getting powerful results while keeping the risk of unwanted side effects way, way down.
So what happens when you put these two amazing peptides together? You get something called temporal synergy. Just look at this chart. You can see each peptide has a modest effect on its own. See those first two bars? But when you combine them, look at that third bar. They create a result that's 3 to 5 times greater than either one could do alone. It's like Ipamorelin kicks the door open with a powerful pulse, and then CJC-1295 holds it open, sustaining and extending it. It's a true 1 + 1 = 4 kind of situation.
Okay, so that's the science behind how it all works. But what does this restoration journey actually feel like? Well, the results tend to show up in 3 distinct phases, and each one builds on the last. This isn't some overnight fix, it's a gradual but really profound biological transformation. In that first month, what we call the opening, people usually notice they're getting deeper, more restful sleep and bouncing back from workouts way faster. Then comes building momentum, from weeks 4 to 12. That's when you start to see visible changes in muscle tone and body composition. And finally, the crescendo, from months 3 to 6. This is where everything comes together. You see significant fat reduction, sharper muscle definition, and this deep, sustained energy that lasts.
Now, a powerful protocol like this is definitely not a one-size-fits-all deal. It has to be tailored specifically to your unique biology, and that includes how it's delivered.
So there are two main ways to do this. Subcutaneous injection is kind of the gold standard. It offers really precise dosing and very consistent absorption. The other option is a buccal dissolving strip. It's a thin, needle-free film that just dissolves inside your cheek for direct absorption. A knowledgeable provider is the one who helps figure out which method is going to be the best for your body and your lifestyle.
And this really highlights why having an expert-guided approach is so important. A successful protocol isn't just about someone handing you a prescription. It's about having that dual pathway expertise, doing comprehensive lab work before you even start, and constantly monitoring your progress to make sure the protocol is perfectly dialed in for your unique biology.
Which really brings us to the most important thought of all. This entire approach is about restoring what your body already knows how to do. It's not about forcing some unnatural outcome. So the real question is, what if you could finally work with your biology instead of feeling like you're always fighting against it?
If you're ready to see what that could look like for you, the team at Zivia Weight Loss and Med Spa can definitely help guide you. You can find out more at Zivia, that's ZVIA.com, or just give them a call at the number on your screen. And of course, just a reminder that this is for educational purposes and isn't medical advice. Any treatment protocol absolutely requires a thorough evaluation and ongoing supervision from a qualified provider to figure out what's appropriate and safe for you.